Well, I hope you're the end of my story. I hope you're as far as it goes. Hope you're the last word I ever uttered. It's never your time to go. Sometimes this road that we travel feels like it's leading us on, spinning our wheels just stirs up the gravel. Before you know it, it's gone. So I hope you're the end of my story. I hope you're as far as it goes. I hope you're the last word I ever uttered. It's never your time to go. I'll keep on turning the pages. Oh, what a story to tell. You're still my sweetheart when everything ages. You'll be the last book on my shelf. So I hope you're the end of my story. Hope you're as far as it goes. I hope you're the last word I ever uttered. You'll never time to go. Hope you're the last word I ever uttered. It's never yours.